Period we supplied, thereafter we have given money to the local bodies. So initial period, because there was a shortage of supply, we have given. Now the municipalities should procure the items on their own, and they should ensure that the workers are having sufficient protective gear. So for the first 2-3 weeks we procured, because suddenly the lockdown came. Now all the municipalities have been given funds and they should procure within that. And we have created one inspection team, so that in each municipality they go and check whether the procedure is being followed or not. So sir was also very kind that we have devolved some money. So A class municipality has been given some 8 lakhs, B class 6 lakhs, and C class 4 lakhs just for purchase of protective equipment. So that procurement has to be done at the municipality. Inform and accordingly we'll give more money. Okay, so initial period we procured. Okay, that was for the first 2 weeks. Thereafter money is also given to them. Market now, availability of sanitizer, everything is increasing. Even Goa, some of the distilleries are now converted to manufacture. So now the procurement should be there, safe and collection should be there. One more appeal is that people should also make maximum effort to reduce the waste. So try to wear, for example, cloth mask. The disposable mask is creating garbage. Okay. Otherwise also all other methods that you can reduce your waste, because even in the middle of all of this, dealing with waste also becomes difficult.
Sir,
Remediation is going very well. Okay. But we have to ensure that once again the dump doesn't come. So for that we have to take some emergency measures. So council is ready and willing. Okay. And Minister sir is there, so we will do.